Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another different smoothie. So to make this one, you're gonna need 2 pears, and make sure they're very cold. We're going to also need about a cup of coconut milk. This was leftover from yesterday's pina colada, and make sure that it's also very cold. A couple ice cubes, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 pot of vanilla yogurt. If you have coconut yogurt, even better. So like the usual, in a blender we're going to put in our pears, we're going to also add in the coconut milk, add in the yogurt. So at this point, you can also add in your honey. If you want to add honey, you can totally add it, but we're not going to do it because we don't like overly sweet things. Next, we're adding in the chia seeds. And lastly, the ice cubes. Now we're going to blend it, but we're going to use the pulse function because the ice cubes are very powerful, and then it would break the blades of our blender, and we don't really want that. We still need it, so we're just going to pulse it. So we just finished blending them and serving them. It has a nice thick consistency, and as you can see, the chia seeds gave this nice little touch of color. I highly recommend trying it because just from touching it, it seems very cold, and I think that it's very much needed right now because it's hot and it's Ramadan and I've been fasting all day. But I highly recommend trying these. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.